Okay, dear students, observe the question. If f of a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to f of x for all x, where a and b are given positive real numbers, then 1 by a plus b integral a to b x into f of x plus f of x plus 1 dx is equal to the first option, integral a minus 1 to b minus 1 f of x dx. Second option, integral a plus 1 to b plus 1 f of x plus 1 dx, and third option integral a minus 1 to b minus 1 f of x plus 1 dx, and fourth option integral a plus 1 to b plus 1 f of x dx. Now this is the question from JEE-MAINS 2020. Okay, now we have to solve this question. The solution for this, take the given condition, that is f of a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to f of x. Okay, from this we have to replace in place of x plus 1. That's why substitute in place of x plus 1, that f of a plus b minus x is equal to f of x plus 1. That means in place of x we have to substitute x plus 1. Now take the integration, that is, let us take it is I integral, that is 1 by a plus b integral a to b f of x into f of x plus f of x plus 1 dx. This is taken as 1. Now we know one condition, we know one formula, we know that is from definite integrals, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now this is the formula from definite integrals. Are you clear? Now from this we have to write this one, 1 by a plus b integral a to b. In place of x we have to write a plus b minus x, and here it is a plus b minus x f of plus f of a plus b minus x plus 1 dx. Right, now from this I is equal to 1 by a plus b integral a to b a plus b minus x. Here it is f of a plus b minus x. F of a plus b minus x is nothing but what? F of x plus 1. F of x plus 1 plus here f of a plus b minus x plus 1 is nothing but what? F of x. That's all. This is taken as 2. Now add these two, just 1 plus 2. So equation 1 plus 2. Now that is 2i is equal to 1 by a plus b integral a to b. Since 1 by a plus b is common, now from these two, adding these two, x gets cancelled, then it is a plus b. Right, now this is the common part for the 2, f of x plus 1 plus f of x dx. That's all. Here a plus b gets cancelled. This one split into two parts, integral a to b f of x plus 1 dx plus integral a to b f of x dx. Are you clear? Now from this 2i is equal to, now this can be right again according to this formula, integral a to b f of a plus b minus x plus 1 dx plus, for this one in place of x a plus b minus x plus integral a to b f of x dx. Now what about this one? A plus b minus x plus 1 f of is nothing but f of x. That's why it is integral a to b f of x dx plus again integral a to b f of x dx. This is integral a to b f of x dx. This is also integral a to b f of x dx. That's why 2i is equal to 2 times of integral a to b f of x dx. Now 2 gets cancelled from this one. I is equal to integral a to b f of x dx. But this is not in the option. Now we have to change this one in the form of option. So that is, let us consider x is equal to t plus 1. X is equal to t plus 1. Suppose in place of x we have to substitute t. In place of x we have to substitute t. Then t is equal to, in place of x we have to substitute a. Then t is a minus 1. That's why this can be changed. A minus 1 to b minus 1. Here it is f of t plus 1 dt. Since here dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt, that's why, so according to this can be right, I is equal to integral a minus 1 b minus 1 f of x plus 1 dx. That's all. Now that is in third option. That's all. Okay, write it fast. That's all.